Boom. Here's one I speak to civilians about all the time. We've got a team driving down the street, doing a snatch and grab, snatch and grab on multiple cars up the street. Boom! What's up, you guys? Byron Rodgers, Tactical Protection Review. Learn protection strategies from a protection professional. This video is quick, it's down, it's dirty, but it illuminates something that I think you should all know. But real quick, like, subscribe, comment. We've got to beat the algorithm. If you're on Instagram, hit the bell on my profile so you don't miss a post. I drop these multiple times a week. If you're on YouTube, hey, subscribe to the page so you don't miss any of these awesome posts. The goal is to help the world become a safer place by helping good people become more dangerous, right? So what are we looking at here, right? We've got guys just driving in traffic and boom, here's a snatch and grab. It's happening right in front of them. The first thing is, the reality of life is that people no longer, the drive to stop something like this from happening has been extinguished by just the framework of our current society. You know, if you get out there and you do something, you run the risk of being sued. Even if you do the right thing and you win and you stop the guys, you still run the risk of endangering yourself and your family by the outcome of the situation. And we all know that violence is very unpredictable. The best fighter doesn't always win. There's a lot of chance in that, right? So people are no longer willing to go out on a limb to stop and help each other. This is something we're trying to fight against with these videos, educating the public on what it really takes to be a protector. Because the art of protection is simply the one art, the one skill, the one inalienable right that protects and allows us to enjoy everything we love, keep our loved ones safe. It's no longer enough just to be good. Ladies and gentlemen, we must be formidable, right? We must be able to deal with these types of situations in order to maintain our good way of life. Now, as we look at this situation, I am constantly talking to people I love, people around me, about the reality that you need to make sure that you don't leave your valuables in the car. Once you leave your car, it is not a safe place. If you have to leave your valuables in the car, make sure they are locked up. It is so easy. Look how easy it is for this guy. Just simply to drive next to this car, bust these windows, and take everything these people have, right? If you have to leave something in the car, make sure it's locked up so he can't just get in there, snatch it, and go. Most of the time, these guys are opportunists. They're looking for targets of opportunity. They're looking for low-hanging fruit. They're looking for people that just didn't think anything would happen, right? This is why this is a software upgrade that's gonna help you protect the things that you love, right? Your car is not a safe place, and that's the main point. Make sure, especially when you're parking in places you're not familiar with, but these things can happen in your own driveway very easily, that you take your belongings with you or you put them in a place where they're not visible from the outside of your car, or that they are locked up. The other thing that you should know if you have a garage is that someone can do this, bust your window, take your garage clicker, and then enter your home. So if you're parked in the front of your own driveway, make sure that you take your clicker inside with you that opens your garage, or you park inside a garage like me, right? Behind a number of different layers of security that I talk about when I do a presentation on how to safeguard your home during the Protector Symposium 2.0, which you can go and download. Go to protectornation.com right now, download our free training guide, and learn from the best in the business. Learn from some of the elite protectors of the world how to keep yourself and your family safe. This is Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade. We're making the world a safer place by helping good people become more dangerous. Like, subscribe, don't miss a post. Download that free training guide, which will give you access to the entire Protector Symposium library, where you can then watch the best in the world train you on how to live a safer life. If you guys have family members, friends, wives, daughters, sons that generally do this, because I know you protectors, it's really hard to get everyone else to buy in and understand how to live a safer life. Share this video, send them this video so they can see what can actually happen on any given day while they're living their nice, wholesome life. You know, give them some experiential information to validate what it is. We hope they're understanding what we always try to tell them, you know, as protectors. Love you guys. I'll see you guys on the next piece of content. Out. Boom.